everyone. Not as cold today. It's 6 degrees today, so not too bad at all. Okay, today's job is just a little bit of decking, composite decking, so it'll be nice and easy to clean. I normally steam clean these as they're very easy. Oh, the phone's on the go. I'll just get this and I'll get back to you. Hello, Bournemouth Jet Washing.
Hi, is that Ricky?
Speaking, yeah.
Hi, it's I wanted to check you out on the route because I've got a 9:30 class I need to get to.
Yes, I'm just on my way now. I'm just round the corner from you, Louise. So,
Okay.
5 minutes.
I've left the drive empty for you. So if you, I don't know which way you're coming, but the gates are open. I'm sitting at the moment in a white Mercedes. But if you just pull in front onto the driveway.
Okay.
And you should. It's the gate. Which way are you coming? Are you coming?
Richmond Park Road. I'll go down Howard Road and then cut across.
Okay, so you're coming down, right? Okay, as you come down, go past where the driveway, don't look at the numbering on the houses. Look for the white Mercedes on the right hand side, and then go in front of that, not behind me. Go in front.
Okay, all right. I'll see you in a bit. All right.
All right.
Cheers. Bye. Bye. Here it is, composite decking. Look at the state of this. Very dirty, very slippy. Lots of leaves to get rid of. Nice easy job. Okay, we'll steam clean this as well. for our latest videos, please subscribe and click on the bell. Okay, that's us all done, all nice and clean and non-slip.